Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Linda Nurikma. My ID number I24125100006. The power of passion and perseverance. When I was 27 years old, I left a very demanding job in management consulting for a job that was even more demanding, teaching. I went to teach 7 grades math in the New York City Public School. I'm like any teacher. I made quizzes and tests. I gave out homework assessment. When the work came back, I calculated guard days. What struck me was that IQ was not the only difference between my best and my worst student. Some of my stronger performers did not have suppression IQ strokers. Things you need to learn in 7th grade math: sure, die hard, ratios, decimal, the area of parallelogram. But these concepts are not impossible, and I was firmly convinced that every one of my students could learn the material if they worked hard long enough. After several more years of teaching, I came to the conclusion that what we need in education is a much better understanding of student and learning from the motivation perspective, from a psychological perspective. In education, the only thing we know how to measure best is IQ. But what is if doing well in school and in life depends on much more than your ability to learn quickly and easily. So I left the classroom and I went to graduate school, become two psychologists. I started studying kids and adults in all kinds of super challenging setting and every study. My question was how is successful her and why. My severance time and went to West Point Military Academy. We tried to predict which cadets would stay in military training and which would drop out. We went to the National Spelling Bee and tried to write which Cleveland would advance further in competition. We students tried teacher working in reality talk 90 borrowhouses, asking which teacher are still going to be here in teaching by the end of the school years, and of schools to be in the most effective at improving learning outcomes for their students. We partnered with private companies, asking which of these select people is going to keep their jobs and how goes to earn the most money. In to this very different context on America as a significant prediction of success. And I was social intelligent, it was both luck, physical health, and it was IQ. It was great impression of perseverance for very long-term goals. Great is having stamina, great is taking with you from day in, day out, not just for the week, not just for the month, but for years, and working really hard to make and for future and reality. Grit is living life risks and marathon, not spirit. I feel years ago I stressed standing grit in the day. Chicago Public School. I asked Houston of high school junior to take grit questioned, and I will turn around for the tires to see whole graduates. Throughout the greater kids, we significantly more likely to graduate even when a makeshift team on a very characteristic crowd. Measure things like family income, standardized experiment to test score, even how some kids will when we at school at West Point of the National Spelling Bee and Grade Makers. It's also in school, especially for kids in electrics for dumping out. To me, the most working thing about Grade is how little we know, how little selection crowd about building it. Every day, a person and teacher ask me how do doing great is good. What do I do? Teach kids a solid work ethic. How do I keep them motivation for the long run? The concept answer is don't how. What it does is that let it does that make you gritty. Our dad saw very clearly the hair. Our many talented individual sample do not follow through on entire commitment. In fact, in our data, this is actually unrelated or even universally related to measure of talent. So far, the best idea we have heard about building good is its skills, something called ground mindset. This young idea developed at Stanford University by Carl Dweck and is the belief the ability to learn is our fiction. That it can check with you effort. The Dr. Dweck has shown that with kids read and learn about the brain and how it changes and grow in my response to channel they much more like to perseverance when they fail because they not believe and failure is permanent convocation. So, ground method is a great idea for building grit, but we need more. And that's where I'm going to end my remarks because here we are. That's the world that stands before us. We need to take to this idea our strong intuition, and we need to take steps. We need to ensure Victor will feel very successful, and I have to be willing to file to the world. To start over a guide with lesson learned in outer world, we need to be gritty about things our district. Thank you.